Budget-friendly lentil coconut and butternut squash curry. Firstly, peel and chop one small butternut squash and roast in the oven for around 25 minutes. Now add one small chopped red onion to your hot frying pan and cook for a few minutes until soft. Add 4 tablespoons of mild curry paste and cook for a couple of minutes. Now add a 400 gram can of light coconut milk along with a 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes. Give everything a good stir and simmer for 10 minutes until it's thickened to a rich sauce. Now add a 400 gram can of drained lentils and mix into your sauce. Once your butternut squash is cooked, remove it from the oven and pop it into your sauce and give it a good mix. Now add around 200 grams of baby spinach to your sauce. You can add a handful at a time and mix in until it's wilted. Next, add around 150 ml of coconut yogurt to the sauce and stir everything to combine. Dish up the curry and add a dollop of coconut yogurt and add a naan bread to the side. Enjoy!